Okay, so our web page is almost completed. However, the only issue that we've got now is that we can't navigate our way through our various pages. So I'm going to show you how to hyperlink your pages. Now, there are two ways. The first is that you can apply your learning that we of creating hyperlinks. Um, you can type in the text for your page, select the page that you wish to navigate to, and the target. So self means it will just appear in the same window. Um, or what we can do is we can create a menu bar that spans the entire width of our web page. Um, just a quick heads up: the my file pages, HTML pages are aren't correct because they're just for the purpose of creating these videos. Anyway, so how do we go and create a menu bar? So the first thing we want to do is we want to make sure that our cursor is in the right position, and I've just split this screen so that we can see that the menu bar is placed in exactly the right position. Now I want it to be between the graphic of the keyboard and the actual the actual content itself. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to place the cursor in front of that div tag, um, and then we're going to insert a menu bar. So you go to layout, spline menu bar. You can choose either vertical or horizontal, but for the purposes of this project I'm going to go for horizontal. Okay, bosh, and there it is, 1 2 3 4. And what we can do is we can alter these four items to match our design. So I'm just going to go back to the design view and look down here again. We've got in the properties bar the options to manipulate, to change and edit our drop down menu. So here you've got the different menus, submenus and submenus of submenus, and the way you can change it is if you click on text and then just type in, well, no, let's just call home instead. And now I don't need these three here, so I'm just going to remove these submenus. Okay, you can add them by just pressing plus or minus. Let's get rid of that. Item 2, let's click on this. Oh no, item 2, I'm going to call this computer science, no, hardware. That's the first one. Now let's add a menu option. So here I'm going to choose this as input devices. Bosh. Let's have another one. Processing devices. What's next? Come on. Output. Ooh. Output devices. Cool. And last one, storage. Ooh. And so you can see it's easy to add to your menu at any point. You can also reorder this your menu. So by clicking up and down, notice that output device is now at the top, and if I click down it moves back down. Okay, let's finish this menu off. The online world. Okay, and I don't need these submenus, and so the internet. Item 2, the World Wide Web, which we know is not the same as the internet. And I don't know, online safety, that'll do. Okay, item 4, computer science. And you can see how easy it is to add and remove different items onto your menu bar. So here I'm just adding contact us. Okay, so there we are. So that's pretty much your menu bar done and dusted. It just needs crafting. to match, for example, your designs, your house styles, your colors. And I really want this particularly to go right across my web page. So if you have a look here in your properties, the CSS style, we can see that you've actually been given a whole new bunch of CSS for the menu bar. Now I know that I've got 5 options here, and that my image of the keyboard is 1,000 pixels wide, and I know that my body is 1,000 pixels wide. So 5 or 1,000 divided by 5, it gives us 200. So I need to change the width of these options to 200. So click on the first one, which is the UL menu bar horizontal LI. Go to width, change it to pixels, and here I'm just going to type in 200. And notice how that has now just filled the width of my web page. I now need to do the same for the drop down menus. As you can see, they're not fully 200. So if I go to UL menu bar horizontal unordered list, here I can see that the width is 8.2, and again this needs changes. So change it to pixels, and then change the measurements to 200. And obviously you will have to work out which widths work best for you and your website. The last thing that really needs sorting out is just the look and feel of the menu bar. So the first one I'm going to go to is the unordered list menu bar horizontal A, and here I'm going to change the background color to a brown to match my house style. That'll do. And I can also change the color of the text by selecting color, and I'm just going to choose plain white. There we are. Bosh. That looks much better now. Okay. The other things that you want to look at here, you've got hover, so how the menu looks when your mouse hovers over it. So I'm just going to change this to, let's go to green. So look, that'll do. And I'm going to leave that white. And then the one underneath, I'm going to change that background color, and I'm going to change that to a slightly different green. And that really is your menu bar completed. All you now need to do is save it, click on OK, then go to File, Save All, and that will save the code that is behind the menu bar and for your web page. Go and have a look at it and preview it in a browser, and there you can see that it's working. Voila! One menu bar.